And I'm coming to you guys with another hair video. I have so many freaking videos to edit, you guys, and I have to get all of these out before December 1st because you guys know what December 1st starts. That's right, Vlogmas. And you know I've already started recording. Like I was recording like last month.
Seriously, mommy.
I wasn't. I honestly, I wasn't, you guys. I know y'all kind of questioned whether or not I was telling the truth right there, but I honestly wasn't, y'all. So, but I did start recording for Vlogmas last week. And I am going to start editing those videos, but I'm going to schedule them to like start December 1st and then December 2nd so I can get like a jump start on Vlogmas. Because what I've learned from past experiences is when I actually wait to post them, wait and post, that I am doing Vlogmas, trying to post them on like a daily basis, I wind up and I get behind, and then I have to like post multiple videos in one day trying to catch up. So this way it'll pretty much keep me ahead, and I will be ahead of the game. But yeah, this video is another hair tutorial. I did go ahead and decide to fit one more fall look in before the winter starts. So I'm hoping this hairstyle will last me until that first or second week of December. Like, who are we kidding, guys? It's probably going to last the first week of December, and I'm going to wind up taking it down. And then I'm probably just going to go ahead and get into winter looks with blues and silvers. You guys know. But, where the heck is my... I didn't bring my brush in here. But, y'all, it is fall, and it already feels like freaking winter. Like, I am upset to no means. Like, last week it was snowing, and I'm like... winter, hello, we have a whole extra 30 days left of fall. Like, you a little early, bro. But here's winter. Winter does not care. Winter gives no giving. And it's just here. Just here taking up space. Showing everybody who's boss. Bipolar weather in freaking Cincinnati, Ohio. So you guys, today I'm actually, with this hairstyle, I'm actually trying something new. I like have never did any type of box braids looks. Like I did faux locks. I don't know if I've ever recorded any faux locks on here, but I've done faux locks. I've done passion twist. You guys know I kill passion twist. And I've been doing like a lot of crocheting because it just seems like so easy and manageable. Like, and you can actually crochet I can actually crochet pretty fast, you guys, and get hairstyles done in like a couple hours, depending on how prepared I am. But this hairstyle, I'm going to attempt to do some Jumbo Goddess box braids. Yes, you guys, I said Jumbo Goddess box braids. And I'm actually doing it with my crochet hair because I want to see how this is going to turn out. So this is definitely going to be an experiment for me as well as an experiment for you guys. Right now, I'm just trying to like section off my hair. I don't know, I always feel like this part of my head is weirdly shaped or something because the part looks straight But then it looks like it has like a curve. I don't know, y'all. Like, whatever. So, I got this parted off. It looks pretty straight, I think. Let me redo this side real quick. Look a little better. Nope. That does not look better. That looks worse. Like, y'all, it is freaking hard. Parting the top of your hair, and also trying to part the back of your hair. I think I got it. Yep, I got it. Thought I didn't, but I got it. So like I was saying, you guys, this video is another fall look in the final fall look of this year. We are going to go ahead and do some jumbo box braids. And it's either going to work out or it's not. Like, here's what it is. Do I have a bald spot? Bruh. Oh my gosh, I have a freaking bald spot. Oh, no, it's just the side where my ear. Y'all, oh my gosh, I was so about to freak out. Oh, okay, yeah, both of them like that. Oh my god, okay. Anyways, guys. So, I was thinking, like, since this hair is such a pain to crochet in, maybe I could just braid it in. So, these are the colors we're going to use. Yes, they're going to be super, super long. I have that one. I have some of my orange ones. You guys know the orange ones will have to go in the front because they're not as long as the other ones. I have the regular 27. I have two of those. I have two of the orange. I have two of the ones with the white tips. And then I have 3 of the reds. So I think all of these are the same one. I'm not mistaken. I think so. Or the red and orange might be the same one. If that's the case, the browns will have to go in the back and the oranges will have to go in the front. Nope. The red's pretty long. It's just the orange is like super short, y'all. But whatever. So, yeah, that's the hair that we're going to be using, you guys. And I am going to put like some curly pieces in it after I finish. I just hope this goes well because, I don't know, something is telling me that it might not, but we'll see. So I'm going to go ahead and part this off and I'll be right back, y'all. Alright, guys, so I am all parted and sectioned off. I hope the back looks like something because I did not look at it when I created these parts. I hope you guys can't tell that I didn't look at it when I created these parts. But anyways, I'm about to go ahead and get started on this. I have a total of 20 in my head. I have 10 in the back, 10 in the front. I wanted to make it to where I could wear it straight down the middle and also put them to the side if I wanted to. So that's kind of why I did it this way, because I literally could have made the side sections a little bit bigger and then just had one nice little piece right straight down the middle. But I wanted it to be kind of versatile, so that's kind of why I did it like this. But I'm going to go ahead and get started on this, you guys, and I will be back to show you guys what it's kind of looking like. Fingers crossed that this goes well because this is my first attempt in trying this. So, fingers crossed, guys. I will be back. Bruh. So, you guys, you can probably tell from the look on my face that I'm not feeling this at all, which I'm not. My tuck game needs tons of work.
Seriously, mommy.
I should have got some long passion twist hair, but since I didn't, you were able to see literally every single one of my flaws in this hairstyle, which is freaking annoying. On top of that, I thought, hey, we should be able to braid it. It's already starting to come loose at the ends. like, y'all, I am just over it. I'm like 5 minutes away from just taking the whole thing down. I'm just that over it right now. Tired. I'm really tired. And this hair is irritating the heck out of me. And I literally only have 6 done. 6 done out of 20. 6 done out of 20. I still got a freaking long way to go, y'all. Like, I'm so over this. Like, I'm so over this. I'm about to take it out for real. I don't even know what the back looks like. I'm just disappointed to the max. About to do a freaking ponytail and call it a night because this is really making me mad. That means I gotta take all these rubber bands out. Bruh. I spent a good 45 minutes parting and rubber banding my hair. Now, I'm probably going to take them all out. I'm probably going to take them all out. And I'm hot and I'm tired and I want to go to sleep.
Seriously, mommy.
And I want a shower. I want to relax in the bed. Like, and I'm going to be up doing this if I keep it up for another 2 hours. Like, and I'm just over it, y'all. I'm just over it. So, I'll be back. I'll let you guys know if I finished it or not. If not, I'll go ahead and post this video as a fail because that's exactly what I feel it is. All jokes aside, you guys, that's how I feel right now. Very disappointed in this. Overall, like, the ends are cute, but that's it. Like, I'm just done, y'all. I'll be back. Alrighty, you guys. So, I'll take these rubber bands out tomorrow. Your girl will be rocking a wig this weekend. Yeah, that's the end of this video. That's the end of this video, y'all. Good night.